Corallia Beach Hotel. Many guests have praised its location right next to the beach. Some guests have found the hotel to be good value for money. However, the rooms and furniture have been described as outdated and in need of renovation. Wi-Fi is only available in the reception area, which is found inconvenient. Housekeeping service has also been a concern for some guests, particularly regarding the frequency of changing sheets. When it comes to food, opinions are mixed. Some guests were impressed with the variety and quality of the food, while others found it to be subpar. The hotel offers themed buffet nights, including an Italian night, Cypriot night, and carvery. The hotel has a weekly Cypriot night featuring folklore and live music.